What's up, YouTube? Broken solar panel here. I been working on the rotator for my thunderbolt, my mini thunderbolt siren, 3D printed. Unfortunately, I still haven't gotten it to work yet, and the collector rings are a mess. I don't want to get in the way of the wires, so I'm going to go around the long way. There's a little gear in there. And you can see the collector rings are all screwed up. I'm going to get a flashlight. And the picture's yellow again. What the heck? There. Yeah. Anyway, the collector rings are all screwed up, so I just have the wires touching the brushes right now. So if I have it plugged in right now, and all I gotta do is move the chopper's stator assembly towards here, so the brushes touch the wires, and it'll activate. It won't be very loud, obviously, because there's no blower. I'm thinking about connecting a balloon to it until we get the blower done. I'm gonna put this on the bottom, then I'm just gonna blow up a balloon and stick it on the bottom and see if it makes it any louder. Unfortunately, I don't have any ones that aren't popped, wrecked, or just don't work yet. So yeah, let's just try. I also got the dual tone chopper in there. It has vanes, but the vanes were made incorrectly, so it's not very loud at all. If I blow onto the stator kind of up and down, it sounds like a Thunderbolt 1003 in the high-low mode. Now let's blow into the intake. Yeah, that's how hard I was blowing, and it didn't really get that much louder. Mostly because the vanes are all screwed up. Here's another chopper. This is kind of what the chopper looks like. See, the vanes reach the middle. I think they're supposed to be cut off halfway there, so that way the air can get in through the middle. This is the way it's supposed to go on. I got it much more centered this time, so it doesn't hit the sides anymore when it winds up and down. 6 on the top and 5 on the bottom. Here's the 5-port chopper I used to have in there that was badly centered. The one that kept hitting the sides. Doesn't have any vanes. That's why it got a little bit louder last time. Once again, here's the horn support legs. I have the blower enclosure where the blower fan mounts inside on the way right now. I don't have the blower box yet, or the blower floor. Anyway, let's just put this on here so you can see what it looks like with the front part put on there. Oh yeah, that's so boss. And there it goes. The Thunderbolt siren I have right here, this little fake one. The horn broke off. Anyway, here's a clip showing why it broke off. Enjoy. And that's why it broke off. It was a little stop motion video I did where it looks like it rotated way too fast and the centrifugal force broke the horn off. Anyway, yeah. Thunderbolt dual tone now. To make it sound like a 1003, I'm going to do it once more here. 1003. Here's what I'm doing. don't know if you can see that, but I'm just kind of alternating where I'm blowing on the chopper. And once again, I'm going to blow into the stator's intake port. Oh, uh-oh. Don't have any capacitors on there right now. I don't have any capacitors on there, but eventually I'll get some capacitors on there. Anyway, this is Broken Solar Panel signing off.